Okay, go ahead.
Thank you for meeting up. I'm not sure whether you recall, I met you last year when you came to Singapore and then we introduced some Singapore companies to you like SMRT, Ascender. Back then we squeezed out a bit of your time at a hotel in the morning.
Yeah.
And then, so I was there briefly and then I met you.
Many things follow up since then.
Yes, so
SMRT now in the final process.
That's right,
the
that's right.
LR.
That's right. We thank you very much for your support. But anyway, I thought I'd just give you my card because there were so many people back then. So just to very briefly introduce, I'm Ivan. I cover Southeast Asia in IE Singapore. So as you know, in Indonesia, we have two offices from IE Singapore in Jakarta and in Surabaya. So I think you, just to recap, you probably remember meeting my colleague. So Jing Shen is with me.
My LL.
Yes. So he's the one that has also been very actively facilitating Singapore's company's interest in Bandung. So he covered Bandung from Jakarta.
And now based in Jakarta.
Oh,
Yeah, back then I think when he was LO, he was based in Singapore. So I had a colleague, Jesse, I don't know whether you remember, he posted back to Singapore to lead a team. So you see everybody that do the work for Indonesia or promote very fast. And then Mei Hua, she's my officer in HQ covering Indonesia. And then you may remember Sophia.
We met last year
You met last
I
year.
think she also came to the same place to see you.
with the command center. Now, very good.
So we see very fast.
We got visiting from how many total? 50, 60?
Today,
Nah, total berapa kunjungan?
yeah, 156.
Groups ya?
Groups.
Since the
Yes.
establishment of this.
The last time when we came, we didn't have so much content, and today I see traffic monitoring,
Yeah.
everything is wonderful, very progressive.
It's like just a year ago, right? Or less
Just a
than
year,
Okay.
just a year.
Very fast. So she covered the technology business group.
Okay.
So which will be all the state of the art Singapore companies. It's a good fit for what I think Bandung is doing because her group is also the one that has worked with us. If you see in the papers on this initiative called the Global Talent Network. Because what happens is that you have it there.
Okay.
Because what happens is that we recognize that Bandung is a little bit like the Silicon Valley
Yes.
of Indonesia. You have very good university, like Telkom University, and we have companies in the ICT sector that want to expand to Indonesia, and they need talent because there's a lot of competition for talent. So we need to help our company to get the talent. At the same time, when we expand to Indonesia, we want to make sure that we also create good jobs.
Very good.
Yeah. So what happened is that we came to Bandung the night before yesterday. We brought about five companies along with Singapore Management University and also the Industry Association for the IT sector for this MOU signing ceremony. So we signed the MOU with Telkom. We signed the MOU with Telkom University yesterday. So they were very, very supportive. They roll out I think maybe about more than 100 students at the lecture theatre to listen to our companies present and our
It was
companies
300.
300.
Yeah, because
5 company from Singapore,
500.
500 audience.
about 300
Or
audience.
300.
300 audience, and each of them conducted interviews with at least 20 to 30 students, the final year students. So around that, yesterday we checked with the company, they're going to hire out to about 20 to 30 of them.
It's just for the start, because they will continue to expand. And at the same time, I think once we see some success with this collaboration, right, we of course hope to bring in more Singapore companies to Bandung and to collaborate with the universities here.
Yeah, with the Economic ASEAN Community, we dissolve borders, right?
Yes.
So you can just do business wherever you like, engage directly. Flight Bandung to Singapore is easier than Bandung to Aceh. Yeah. So basically,
Indonesia is so big.
if we dissolve this imaginary border, we basically family, neighbor can do
Yeah.
to contribute mutual understanding. Coba tampilin yang investasi, buku investasi.
Yang tadi email.
I mean, at the national level, of course, removing all these barriers are important. But at the same time, leadership at the city level is also very important. So that's why we want to work with you, because you have very progressive vision for Bandung. Then on this note, I also want to reintroduce you to Ceiling from Aquarium. So you may remember that actually they have always been very interested in Bandung. So last year, I think when they came, they did a free workshop for e-government. They are also one of the companies that is working with us on this global talent network that I mentioned. So they also marketed the job opportunities to Indonesian graduates, because for them they have projects in many countries, even in Africa. When we talked to the university, and we also met a few of those like HR type of startup. So they all told us that for the young Indonesian graduate here, of course pay is important, but the other thing that they very much like to have in their job is exposure to to the world. Because I think because the young Indonesian, increasingly they see that although Indonesia is a very big market, but they want to see what's out there. They want to adopt the best practice. So I think companies like Aquaria, which have operations across so many parts of the world and very proficient in doing e-government type of application, will be a good employer for them. So they are here also, with us to market the job opportunity, and because they continue to be very interested to want to provide services to the Bandung government in terms of like e-government. So I thought that he should join us here so that he can catch up with you again.
Also, may I just to highlight, Aquarius has a software development team already set up in Bandung. And one of the first few projects they have done is actually for a project in Singapore.
Oh.
So the software developer has very good skills, very
Yes.
talented. I think they are now doing our weather
Weather
Mon-
portal for the Singapore Mac services.
So the quality of the students here,
How many person involved?
Today we have 10.
Yang simpang 5 itu.
Betul.
Yeah, so Nita here is our chief rep, and then we are doing more projects. So we are actually looking for more developers here as well. And I think the last time you met our CEO, Dr. Fong, so we were chatting about how we can actually help you grow your smart city plans, and our cloud platform can actually allow you to put out these services very quickly. Yeah.
Okay, first of all, thank you for visiting Bandung again. Every time you come, there is something new to show, meaning we are progressing on something. Yeah. Because the philosophy of development is we are progressing and we are making change. And, so we grow and also making change. And again, I want to see our relationships really more to a partnership, partnerships where we can benefit from one another.
yes,
We have world-class talent that
yes.
you just polish a bit, upgrade a bit, and they're ready to go. I was one of that kind of species. Okay, if I had not had the opportunity to go to USA, I don't think my talent will be exposed this much up to today. So I want to have my experience as a local Bandung kid and went to US, exposed to the global economy, come back and making change. I was SIF exchange student, remember?
Oh, okay.
I lived 6 months in US, in Cambridge Hall. That's my first country to visit when I was a student, so Singapore changed my life. There is a book about SIF and there is a writing, I think in the South China Straits Times, about my profile, about my Singapore time. So with this perspective, I really want to push the agenda beyond the beyond this employer and employee global talent kind of projects. Yeah, we want to really push that. If I want to look for investor, the first come to me and come to my mind would be Singapore. This is
Coba siapin kan.
this is a book that I'm preparing. The second page. Go to the first page. We call it. Now I'm finishing the shopping list of infrastructure projects. This is the list that I need to get to make Bandung into the global stage. Total $6 billion US, okay, in the form of transportation, telecommunications, and so on and so forth. Coba ke bawah lagi. So I will publish this book in English with my introduction, with the walking helmet just to show this is more infrastructure. Okay, ke bawah. And the key words is one of the main problem is the gap, yeah, on urban development. So basically, this book about the opportunity for PPP, public-private partnerships. So I have 6 billion projects for you to take. Some portion is already by SMRT. Sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
SMRT, if they win the project, they take over some dollar out of $6 billion US. So still many to go. Bawah lagi. Yeah, this is just a data ke bawah. This is more about the data also, population. We try to show you that we have some. Bentar dulu ke atas. We have some problems, which is our annual budget is very limited, yeah. So 500 million something US dollar. If I spend conventionally, like spend this every year, it's not enough. So I want to do different things, which is you bring me Mount Elizabeth type of project with the price tag, designed by your Singapore firm, built by your own contractor. You just give me the projects, and we pay you for 15, 20 or 25 years. Yeah, this is how we have already a new law from the president for the PPP, from the finance ministry, and local law also. We call it multi-year contract law. So it means if you invest in Bandung, say the SMRT this year, it will be protected by these three. So whoever become mayor, parliament must respect it. The type of infrastructure, we have three. Number one is commercial, that has income value. Number two is infrastructure, social infrastructure, like schools, yeah, road, no income value, but we need it. And also government infrastructures. Government means more our offices, we need to move our operations. And the type of investment, we have two. BTL, we build, you transfer to us and we pay the lease for long term, or you do the BOT. Yeah. BOT is very common, but BTL is the one that we are looking for. Okay, go on. So this is already the list of 18 projects for commercial, 64 projects for yang kiri-kiri dulu. Oh ya sama aja ya, itu hanya. And 9 projects of government. So my saying to you, the IE is whether the Singapore Inc. can take over the whole thing, or you just want to tap project number 6, number 15, number 3. It's okay.
Okay.
Ya, coba lihat dua lagi. I break down in details.
Very.
Yeah, this is commercial.
This is something you can share with us.
Yeah, you can copy this.
Okay.
No,
But we will produce the printouts.
This will be more PPP, right?
Oh, PPP.
Or PPP.
Number 4, number coba ke bawah lagi. So we put all these.
Yeah.
They,
Projects.
they are already, what stage are they? Because we are thinking one way to also work with you is that in IE Singapore we have another division where they work with, what you call like multilateral organization.
ADB.
Yeah, the likes of ADB, the likes of like
World
GIF, and they can come in to support some of the costs for structuring, so that when you do the PPP, right, the project are bankable, because then it increase the chance that private sector company will participate, because not all projects are PPP-able. There are ways to structuring. So if you are going to have a lot of the PPP project, but some of them they may not be what you call have been very adequately structured yet, we can see how we can come in to help, because especially when you mentioned that for the vision that you have, you are actually limited by the budget that you are given, because you are trying to do many things, but you don't have the budget to do so many things, and we can sort of like fund some of this.
For example, what is the scenario if we are ability to pay 200 million US dollar per year? That kind of our ability to pay, yeah. How big the size for the project? If per year I can pay 200 million US dollar for many things.
Yeah.
So basically, please review, yeah. If there is one strategy that that Singapore companies are very comfortable, like SMRT, to really help Bandung with this business, then I'm happy. Instead of I have to go to Europe, why not first I offer this to Singapore and France, right? And once you okay or selected, I might go to other places. Like for example, yeah, that will be my government office. That will be my city hall, the new city hall.
Nice.
So we will move the whole facility in this old city to the new development there.
All right.
Oh, including what you have here.
Yeah, this is
This is
temporary. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So you come, for example, with Subana, with DBS money, for example. You build us and transfer to us and pay you for what, 15, 20, according to the projects.
We are also recently a lot of projects in China that we're working in. One of the vision is something like they wanted to do a technopreneur park. And one of the things that we are working on is creating a cloud valley. How do you attract all the technopreneurs to start up in the park? So when Ascenders or Subana, they go in as a Ascenders go in as a park developer, they are able to attract the MNCs or the creative startup innovation hub to be around the center. So one of the areas that we discussed is whether there can be green lane facilities. So which means that companies that set up within this park can get their licenses or business registration fast. So that is in terms of policy that maybe we want to work out with the government. So
it differentiates.
So that it differentiates. So as a Facebook, I would want to come to your park because if I know I set up in your park, I get certain green lane facilitation, then I'm keen to do so. Then we can be a Silicon Valley because already Bandung has very good talent pool for technology. So if the technology, the universities also set up R&D, then there's this co-creation of knowledge. People will be attracted. So this is something that we wanted to explore also, whether it's possible.
Anything is possible. Yeah. Development is progress and change. There are basically only two things to measure the development. So I'm open to new ideas. I'm open to the new thinking of economy and so on and so on. This is also the first in Indonesia. Such government really push the first of its kind to create PPP for the whole thing.
Yes.
Not only income-oriented infrastructure.
Yeah, exactly.
This happened in UK and in Korea. I tell you, 2 weeks ago, the Korean investor already came to my office. What they did is very interesting. They show me a project in Iran, in the Middle East. They show me, Mr. Mayor, this is a hospital. Okay, it costs 120 million US dollar. Within Korean money, Korean design, Korean contractor, whatever. They deliver to Iranian government and they ask for 15 years of payment.
Okay.
So that's exactly what I'm looking for. something like that. Because to develop city, there are two options now. Either I go municipal bond, I got money. It's too political. I have to put that money first to the parliament. We have to debate on the use. You have
Too slow.
to tender the projects in this situation. At the end, I don't get the world class project. But this Korean way that showed me is what I'm looking for. At the end, I just a recipient of the end and products, and we do. But many mayors nominated me for chairman for the whole mayor in Indonesia.
Yes.
So it's very strategic position. It means I will lead 200 something cities in Indonesia under my leadership.
Yes.
It's kind of different kind of president. So it's United Mayors. kind of.
United Way Association.
I can make
Go by
orders.
influence.
I can influence. So imagine if this is working, 6 billion multiplied by 300 or 200, right? It's already like 1,200 billion, right? So that's how the big size of economy that's really never presented. It's the economy of city infrastructure.
Yes.
Sometimes people come here discussing with central government, building power project, bridges, train. They never look into small scale, but when you multiply by 100, it's as big as national project.
Yeah.
So this is a new economy opportunity cake that I want to present to the world. That look, Bandung alone needs 6 billion. I have 100 cities, same thing. If works the way you deliver project, we pay long term, and everybody happy, that will make Indonesia fast.
Yes.
So, and this is will create the work of 5 time mayors compressed into just 1 time mayor because of this concept. That's why I'm fighting this to be working.
Yes. Very, very.
But again, as my courtesy, I want to give this to Singapore friends first, review it, come back to me again, whether you are interested. But good news is some part, SMRT already take portion of the 6 billion. So 6 billion money is SMRT project.
The little project that Acura is doing.
Oh, yeah.
Is it inside?
Maybe, I don't know. I have to check.
So many projects there.
Yeah, because I think for also one of the foundation for smart city is having smart governance. And I think you are really visionary. This is quite very, very good. In fact, more sophisticated than some that I see in Singapore or even China, those top tier China city. This is very fast and you did it very, very, without a lot of, bureaucracy. You look at how to consolidate it. This is very
Yeah,
good.
and for your information, yesterday I made a historical decision,
What is it?
which is I waive the procedure of need for permit to open business for micro business. So in Bandung, to open micro business, you just have to register. That's it.
That's very
Before you need to have a permit.
Yeah.
Go to 1, 2, 3, and I said, not reduce the day. Exactly, no permit at all.
Yeah.
You just announce that you are doing this.
We just
So,
Only
register
for
the-
Bandung.
only for Bandung because
Because
I'm
he's the
mayor.
Bandung. the president.
That is the differentiation.
So it means if you have some
Technology.
small scale project, Singaporean company startup wants to open in Bandung,
Yeah.
you just partner with local, open any day.
Yeah.
You just report that you are doing business in Bandung, right? I will do only random checking to make sure there is no violation for neighborhood issues.
Then that's very, very good.
Yeah, that's very
So
good.
I push business to just run
That is
first.
where the innovation
Before they do checking first, then business. Now I said I
Business
make
runs first.
different logic. Business first, I do the checking later.
Very good, very good.
Any other
That's the
city
first
that-
in Indonesia.
Is there any other city that have waived off this rule? Or
No.
you are the first one?
I
to
went
do
to
it?
Pak Ahok yesterday and said, oh, can we do that? Yes, we can. So Jakarta is
Very
learning to Bandung.
Yeah,
For
because my company 60 days still have not set up register.
well,
60 days.
More complicated.
It's very. You see why Acura chose Bandung? He said the people is here. I don't need to go ask Jakarta people to work here because the quality of talents are good. The innovation is here.
When high speed train
Come.
finish,
Then it will.
Yeah.
you dissolve the distance.
Yes.
Jakarta Bandung
It's just
3 hours only 35 minutes.
Yeah. Then
Because of that, many people in Jakarta now thinking new logic,
you
live
should
in
do
Bandung,
here first.
work in Jakarta,
For
evening come back,
Yeah.
doing nice dinner, walking,
Correct.
biking, nice,
Nice weather.
nice
nice
weather.
picture.
So
That
we,
one,
so we were wondering whether we can also push up. We wanted to seek the mayor's feedback and Ibu Dini. How does this cloud service, the training workshop, was it useful to the officer? I think that's something we wanted to find out from you as well.
And we can also, I mean, your command center, we can also plug in to the command
Yeah, I think
center.
I
so you
think
can
for this one, Budini, maybe in more detail, in maybe separate presentations, yeah.
Yeah.
You can audit whether our system is making progress to what level. Yeah. But my assignment to her is to make a world-class system. Should be no difference between Bandung and Singapore.
Yes.
What should be different, right?
Yes. In fact, it would be better.
So we want to know.
Yeah.
But up to this stage, maybe you can communicate in more detail. So at the end, you come to me and say, look, you need this system or whatever, on how much investment in the long term I need to prepare and so on. So.
I think
Itu
this.
smart city masuk nggak ke situ?
Yeah.
We have
Cuman
Di sini? Kenapa nggak dimasukin?
MCC yang masuk.
Ada. I forgot, I have to check, but in the telecom category must have some.
Yeah, because I think it's an open system. The C3 that you have is an open system that can be plugged in, right? Or your system is open. That means
Yeah.
application can be plugged in. So we are
Bisa
not
gitu.
a vendor specific.
I think we have been talk as a detail with you and your team. You have been show about the business process in the government, in the civilization, something like that. Ada sedikit perbedaan Pak, maksudnya kalau kependudukan kita kan pakai IKTPS seperti itu. Jadi kalau mau di-plug itu kayaknya agak susah dari itu.
Oh, not all automatically can be plugged in. This always needs some adjustment, of course.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I think that can be done. I mean, we have our own developers. We are in charge of our own product, so that can be done. We are not dependent on
Yeah.
any other.
I think the best way is you review, yeah, our existing system, and you give me written recommendation. I think that will be the best way to know where we are and what is our goals for this smart city. Because once I finish, if I can be the chairman as the whole Indonesia mayor, I can just sell the whole package and I should go to Aquaria and start the business, multiply by 200. That will be the size of your future expansion.
We have been talk about your platform in Singapore, I think. And then we already have a platform too in the command center. So the application or the program, the software in apps of the platform is more, just a little bit different. This is why all the platform is kind of plugged in. And then you have been talk with your team. I think 2 months ago.
Yeah.
We don't kita belum sepakat terhadap anggaran desa sendiri.
Yeah, I think from your side, I think give me just a written audit, yeah, written audit.
No problem. We could do
Yeah,
that.
from your perspective to be a world class.
Local price.
Yeah, and
Yes, yes.
also I have to comply with the law here.
Yes.
The law here is in a certain degree we have to bid or something like that. Yeah? So I cannot we have to understand each other now.
Yeah.
I have a political will, but when it comes to limitation, I have to talk to you directly. There is some issues, whether we can work it out, or but in terms of ideas, in terms of progress, I think we are on the same page. Just a technicalities.
Yes.
Because
But this one is a cloud model, so it is.
our solution, what is here is more for the government side. Our solution also has one side that is more for the
Face the
public.
citizen.
Yeah,
The
for
reason why
citizen.
you have to understand the locality, because one, you're okay with Bandung, then you are easy to multiply to
Yes.
other city. If
Yeah.
in Bandung the locality issue cannot be solved, maybe your standard is too high, we are too low, or we can meet in between or somehow.
No,
No, it is
really.
my assumption. It's very hard for me again to tell other cities, but that's why please use Bandung, work it out, to the way that we are agree, mutual understanding, and benefit. Then I can be your marketing
Thank you.
person to the rest of you.
So very honored. This is a very big honor for the company.
I'm the alumni of NUS, semi-alumni.
In fact, maybe just to also highlight to Mayor that, you know, at the government level between Singapore and Indonesia, we have been trying to look for two things. One is like a collaboration that can be highlighted to our political leader, because my Prime Minister is supposed to meet President Jokowi for the leaders retreat. I think from what I heard tentatively maybe end of the year. I think they are trying to find a common time.
This year.
This year, I think it will be Indonesia, because last year President Jokowi came to Singapore.
It will be
You'll be here, right? So we at the highest level, we always have this leaders retreat where they will meet each other once a year. And I think this year we want to see whether we can have some breakthrough in terms of like to show what is a good partnership that, you know, Singapore companies working with Indonesian government to develop, bring development to Indonesia. So we hope that, you know, some of the work that we do in Bandung can be highlighted. So that's one. Second is that we always hear from the Indonesian government that going forward they want to develop digital economy. So I think a lot of the things that we do here fit in well. And leading up to the leaders retreat, we will have like my Minister of Trade meet Minister Damin. I think that may be like the middle of the year. So some of the things we want to highlight will be like beyond Jakarta, because we always talk about Singapore companies not just in BBK, not just in Jakarta, but where else are we? We may want to talk about Bandung as a place where we are trying to bring more Singapore investment. And some of the collaboration will be like the Global Talent Network, because out of the 3 universities where we sign MOU with, or we have collaboration with, to match students to Singapore company, Bandung take up 2 of the university. So one is BINUS in Jakarta, but the other 2, Telkom and ITB, both are in Bandung. So we will highlight this. But of course, if there are other things that you know, project that we secure
Bandung Technopolis.
before my minister meet Minister Damin, or by the time he meet, we can highlight. So if the e-government thing can be sorted out by then, we will definitely talk about this, because it goes very well with Indonesia's plan for, you know, digital economy. And SMRT, I think the result maybe will come out in June. So if they win it, we will highlight also. So the story we want to tell the politician from both sides is that Bandung is actually, after Jakarta, the next place where we have a lot of Singapore investment.
Here's the real next step that you should really consider. Coba buka. The Bandung Technopolis is starting construction as we speak. They're opening the toll road already. We will finish in the next 5 to 6 months. In Jakarta, next time you drive from Jakarta, you will connect directly to Technopolis.
Okay.
The high-speed train also will be ended at Technopolis.
Okay.
So time will fly very fast.
Yes.
Within 4 to 5 years you come back.
Everything will be different.
Yang itunya yang ke saya mau blok Barcelona bisa nggak? Kenapa lambat begini? Berhentiin. Ada laser pointer nggak? So the road on the left is under construction. Yeah. Zaman? I just want to show you. The road on the left is under construction. The land here is now being bought by the government. This landmark, the biggest mosque for the community, is under design process, will be under construction also. Shopping mall also, end of the year start construction. This is a research block, yeah, the R&D block.
Yeah.
One already given to ITB.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So expand the.
yeah, imagine if maybe you collaborate with ITB. The land will be given to ITB, but maybe Singaporean your team develop the buildings and use that building to be your Singapore Inc. in Bandung, where all the research, all the co-working space, maybe you move your office in that area to be here and so on. Listing, yeah, because ITB just signed the MOU with the developer, they granted the site. So ITB is thinking now what kind of activity, yeah, within this ICT business in the Technopolis.
Okay.
That building is somewhere here.
Okay.
So may all the buildings.
It's like Jurong, the first stage of Jurong.
Okay.
Biopolis lah. Yeah.
Biopolis there. That is your vision, right?
Yeah,
One
exactly. This is exactly like Jurong, the Biopolis.
Are all the buildings being given to ITB or
Just
one.
last month,
Just
one block.
one block?
But if you are interested to purchase the parcels for your own enterprise, be my guest also. I can discuss.
We do
But
have
basically, and I will move my office here.
Yeah.
Yeah. The government center.
innovation.
Also, I will move in next 3 years.
Okay.
The whole city hall and everything. So
We do
we'll be
have-
neighbor, huh?
We do have companies looking at innovation hub kind of concept.
Yeah.
So what they want to do is a lot of high-tech research, a lot of new innovation material planning and all. And I think this fits very much inside.
Coba play lagi sampai yang ininya digedein, ada nggak?
Yeah. So maybe also something that people who goes into this to set up innovation like startup, would you consider also policies like allowing them to get their what do you call the working visa? The KITAS. That means
Barusan kan berhenti. No problem. Again,
Yeah.
I was an entrepreneur.
Yeah, that's what
Let
we
me
do it
know
for.
what you need. You feel concerned. Yesterday I make a historical decision because of so many complaints.
Yeah.
Micro business is too long to open. I said that's not right. So
Yeah.
I make bold decisions. Instead of reducing permit, I'm making no permit at all. Yeah. So
Do you have a data
this is the
center?
ITB one. Yeah.
This is
So
the
the ITB will occupy this block. I call it Barcelona block because I love Barcelona Chamber Corner, where you can do whatever you like, hang out, artworks, whatever. I like the urbanity there. So this is one ITB block, for example.
This is one.
If you think you can collaborate with ITB will be very happy.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay.
Or if you think there is another enterprise wants to buy the whole block, you can be neighbor to this ITB. In both innovation. Underneath, I mandatory put retails, cafes, yeah. So smart people drink cappuccino, then go up for working, lunch downstairs, going up again. So this is the kind of city, vibrant, not like gated research center
Yeah.
kind of. I don't like.
No,
I
no.
like really just a
Fun.
city. I like Singapore Management University kind of interaction.
Today actually, we have asked one of the head of ICT computer science to meet up with the dean in ITB,
The SMU.
SMU from Singapore Manufacturing. So they will do some collaboration on masters. So maybe we can, if we push a bit further, we could
Yeah,
have
Like
some.
a extended camp.
Yeah, so information
Yeah.
information today, many conclusion. auditing the smart city, yeah, for the to make the world class one. Make a deal with our local standard. ITB, maybe you approach ITB if you are interested. If you also want to, I will set you up meeting with the developer. They must be very.
Yeah, I think they're coming up towards the end of April. May I work with your team
Yeah.
to get a meeting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So inside we can try different solutions. We can have a pilot to say this is the area where we test with all the solution like smart lighting.
This will be as futuristic as you like.
Yeah. So we
Because it's
try
from
all-
scratch.
Yeah, exactly. So this is you don't have a legacy system. You can build everything from scratch. And that's the where we have very good playing.
And all of this, I owe some to my Singaporean. Combination of Jurong Tampines New Town
Okay.
and Tanjong Pagar preserving heritage. So
I
I'm
really go and see everything.
defending
You
my
have-
old town with all Art Deco style, but futuristic Dubai style on this island.
Okay.
Okay.
I think what we can do also from our side is if we can gather interest, that means we bring a Singapore Inc. to come and visit the site
Yeah.
and talk to the mayor.
Yeah,
developer.
or I can go to Singapore to
Yes.
present. Maybe
Yes,
you
please.
Yeah.
you
We
organize the gala dinner. I present this 6
Yes.
billion opportunity,
Mm.
or after they convene, they can come check the site.
Okay,
Sure.
that would be very
Let
good.
us come back to you on the possible timeline, and then where you are convenient to go down
Yeah.
for you to present all this.
Yes, maybe, yeah, this is very good. So, in fact, one we can start from what we talked about, the PPEP structuring.
Yeah.
Is one of the areas. Then we can bring in, based on different aspects from
Very